Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Jeep Wrangler key fob. First, gather your materials. You'll need 2 existing, already programmed key fobs that currently work with your vehicle. Also, make sure your new key fob has been properly cut to match your ignition. This method is for vehicles with a traditional ignition, not push-button start. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process much smoother. Let's begin the programming. Start by inserting your first already programmed key into the ignition. Turn the ignition switch to the on or RUN position. Keep it in this position for at least 3 seconds, but no longer than 15 seconds. After this time, turn the ignition switch back to the lock position and carefully remove the first key. This sets up the vehicle for the next step. Now, quickly insert your second programmed key into the ignition within 15 seconds of removing the first. Turn it to the on or RUN position. After about 10 seconds, you should hear a chime, and the vehicle's security light will begin to flash. Turn the ignition to lock and remove this second key. Immediately, within 60 seconds, insert your new, unprogrammed key and turn it to the on or RUN position. After about 10 seconds with the new key in the on or RUN position, you'll hear a single chime, and the security light will stop flashing, then illuminate for 3 seconds before turning off. This indicates successful programming. Remove the key and test all functions, including starting the engine and using the lock and unlock buttons. If you need to program more keys, repeat the entire process for each additional fob. Also, for other great deals and to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.